I am a very competitive person at home, and I love game night. I have so many games. I mean, they're literally taking over the house. They're all over bookcases. They're underneath the coffee tables. They're stuffed in cupboards. And I force people, whether they like gaming or not, to play anything I say when they come to my house.
Yeah.
So the reason we have you with us today is to celebrate relative insanity. Now, how did this game come about?
Okay, so I'm a family nut. So for a week in the summer and then for a week at Thanksgiving, we have 30 relatives, aunts, uncles, cousins, and all, and we game every night. So last Thanksgiving, the kids, and I say kids, they're in their 20s now.
Yeah, your kids are
But they were playing a very
26.
popular card game that it was really dirty. I mean, it's
Cards
fun.
Against Humanity?
Yeah, okay, all right.
Yeah,
so
there's even dirtier ones, by the way. No shame charades. Woo!
And I said to them, you got to go in the basement. You know, your grandmother's here, your aunts and uncles. You can't do this.
It's not very family friendly.
So I was, and I was thinking my comedy has always been family friendly. You know, in that, I mean, it's like I'm not a prude, but you can be suggestive and let the audience figure it out without being filthy. And so I thought, well, there's got to be a way to do this with a card game. And so I sat down and I wrote 400 punchlines, just things that sounded funny. They didn't have a joke, but, and then I wrote 100 setups involving relatives, because everybody's family's crazy. That's what my family... And so it's the easiest game in the world.
And you all disagree on which one is the craziest, right?
Oh, yeah.
And it's never you. Like,
yeah.
I know my family thinks I'm the craziest.
It's never you, right?
Right.
This is the way I feel about a game. If it makes you laugh, you'll play it over and over and over again. This is literally a box of laughs. It's punchlines and setups.
Show me how to play.
It's
so there's two color cards.
So simple. Reds are setups.
Reds are setups.
And the yellows are punchlines.
Are the play cards.
So it's just like apples to apples or Cards Against Humanity. One person reads it, and then everybody...
my glasses so bad.
Okay. One person will pick a setup card, and they'll read it, and everybody then throws down the punchline they think is going to get the biggest laugh. And if they pick your card... Don't say it yet. Don't say it yet. We're going to play.
I want to play this card no matter what. It's so funny.
Well, and that's kind of what the game turns into, is you have certain favorites. It makes you laugh.
You know what's sad about... You know what's really sad about this is I could just sit here and laugh. I don't need to have anybody else to play the game.
This is why you need relative insanity right here. All right. So
oh my God, I just want to go home and play this game all day.
So there would be obviously a lot of people throwing down their punchlines.
Right.
So here's a typical setup. Right before we walked down the aisle, Daddy leaned over to me and whispered.
I have mold in my crawl space. I win.
All right, you ready? Another one. On the way home from the family reunion, Granny made the comment.
I've always thought your baby was ugly.
It's that easy.
Give me one more.
One more, all right.
We don't need commercials. Forget them.
While in the hot tub, Aunt Dottie told Kevin...
You were conceived in a car wash. Oh my God, my face is hot and I'm sweating. Oh, that was so much fun. I'm gonna buy 100 of these. I'm gonna give them to everybody. Are you still touring, by the way? Because I would love to pay you and go see you. You're fabulous.
I still, you know, I'm so blessed. Most people get into stand-up because it's like a springboard to TV or movies, and I've gotten to do that stuff. I love being a stand-up. I've been on the road all summer. I still love doing it. So yeah.
So we'll link up any dates he has coming up. Congratulations on this. I mean, this is just hilarious.
It became so fun, and I would send it to my friends, and they would write back, and they'd be like, oh my God, we laughed all night long. So I've already, the game just came out. You can get it Amazon. It hits Walmart's this week. But I've already written the expander pack just because it was so fun to do.
It's so good.
Yeah.